People often say the first 1,000 subscribers are the hardest to get on YouTube. They say the algorithm is broken. They say it's too late to start. They say unless you already have an audience, YouTube just won't work for you. I don't believe that, and this channel exists to show why. My name is Mandy, and welcome to my first video. This channel is dedicated to YouTube growth and content strategy, not hype, not shortcuts, and not guesswork. If you're here, you're probably either thinking about starting a YouTube channel or you already have one, and you're not seeing the results you hoped for. You might be posting consistently, putting in effort, and still wondering why your videos aren't getting views, why subscribers aren't coming in, or why growth feels slow and confusing. That frustration is very real, and most creators don't fail because they're untalented. They fail because they don't understand how YouTube actually works. That's where this channel comes in. You might be asking yourself a fair question right now. Why should you listen to someone who is just starting a channel? The answer is simple. I'm not guessing. This channel is being built intentionally using proven principles around data, psychology, and storytelling, not random uploads, not chasing every trend, and not relying on luck. YouTube is not magic, it's a system. And when you understand that system, growth becomes predictable. On this channel, I'm going to break YouTube down in a way that makes sense, especially if you're overwhelmed or tired of conflicting advice. We'll talk about how YouTube decides which videos to push, why some videos get recommended and others don't, how viewers actually behave when they click a video, and how small changes in structure can completely change performance. This channel is also about content strategy, not just posting more, because posting more videos does not automatically lead to growth. Posting smarter does. You'll learn how to structure videos so people actually stay and watch, how to plan content around demand, not guesswork, how to improve watch time and retention without changing who you are, and how to read analytics in a way that gives you clarity instead of stress. If you're a beginner, this channel will help you avoid common mistakes that slow growth early on. If you already have a channel that feels stuck, this channel will help you understand what's holding it back and how to fix it. I'll be sharing what I learn in real time, what works, what doesn't, and why. This channel is a live case study, not a highlight reel, not theory without application, but real strategies being tested, refined, and explained clearly so you can apply them to your own content. YouTube growth doesn't require perfection, it requires understanding. And that's exactly what this channel is about. If you want to grow on YouTube with clarity, intention, and strategy, not burnout, you're in the right place. If you want to see how a channel is built from the ground up using systems instead of shortcuts, subscribe and follow along. My name is Mandy. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.